Alright, street foodies, my wife, who is amazing, got me this incredible DIY hot sauce making kit. Yes, I get to make my own hot sauce. This is dope. What's the brand? I forget. I'll put it in the description. But look, it comes with this excellent packaging, all these little jokes and stuff, and the danger, open with caution, and all that. And then it comes with everything you need. Okay? Talking about different kinds of peppers. Your habaneros. You got your ancho chilies. Ancho pasilla. And then you got, what else you got? You got your chipotles. Yes, the spice blend comes with plastic gloves, little nozzles, the pH balance testing. What y'all know about science? Because we're about to get scientific up in here. What else we got? We got little bottles, apple cider vinegar, we got a funnel, got some glass bottles. Okay, gonna use those. I'm gonna show you guys how you put this joint together and make some hot sauce. And then at the end, after you see the process and stuff, y'all can help me name them. Look, it comes with these little stickers, right? Where you get to like label it, and give it your own name. And I thought, what if you guys come up with the name, okay? So that's what I want to see happen. Watch how we make this stuff, and then at the end, you leave a comment and say, hey, this is what you should call your sauce, Christian, okay? The motto of this is be the boss of your own sauce. I'm about to be the boss, but I'm gonna need y'all help me to name it. Okay, first, step one, sterilize these joints. You just put in some boiling water for a couple minutes, and these bottles are sterilized. As far as I know, that's how I know to do it. But it said to do that in the directions. Right. Okay, pop that out the water. Good. Then, you have to reconstitute these dried chilies. Yeah, give that a little sniff. That's the ancho chili, all right? You're gonna have 3 of those and 2 chipotles. And then you're gonna add some hot water, or just regular water, whatever, like 3/4 of a cup. And you just wanna get them to not be dried anymore. Reconstitute them, okay? Now I'm looking around for sugar, because I'm supposed to have some sugar. Look all over the kitchen for it, found some. Dixie Crystals, way to go. It's like a tablespoon of sugar. And then use a tablespoon of this spice blend. What's in the spice blend? I'm not sure, okay? It's secret sauce, but I could look it up. They tell you what's in it, okay? And there's lots of different recipes for sauces, guys. This is just one of them, all right? This is the chipotle one, but it's like called smoky something. Well, it's called whatever we want to call it, but it's like the smoky chipotle one. All right, mix all that up. After the peppers are soft, then you add in your vinegar, and it's gonna, then you cook them basically till it's softened up. Put a little salt in there too, a little more for good measure. Good. It took a while for these joints to stop being dry, especially the anchos, because they're big and they're folded over. But after they're ready, get your blender out. I had to borrow a blender because we don't have one like that. I'm just gonna pop that in there with this little bit of liquid, and you'll see this made like a really thick chipotle like sauce paste. I was looking at it as it goes. I'm like, is this really cutting all that up, the stems and everything? I mean, it seemed like it's working, but yo, it did work. Okay, and you got this nice paste, and then we're gonna put that in the bottle. We gotta use our funnel. Oh, first I gotta test the pH balance. Okay, we gotta test the pH balance on this joint. I gotta be honest, this was a little confusing. I was reading the directions, and I stuck it in the wrong way, okay? I stuck it in by the handle, and then I was like, oh, I think actually this is the part that's supposed to actually turn color. And you just, I don't know, it's supposed to be either yellow, red, or orange, if you got it right. Now, the sauce is red, so how do I know? Look, I think it's right. The point is, you get rid of the bacteria, or you have the right bacteria level, or something. Okay, this funnel wasn't cutting it. It was like a best things come to those who wait situation, but I mean, I just got my chopstick out and forced it down there. And I got my taste on. Smoky, delicious. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look at that smoky sauce. What should we name it, y'all? I have no idea. What should we name it? Look at let's pick a name, all right? Which one of these labels? I don't know. Depends on the name y'all come up with. Now, I also made a second sauce with a habanero and a ghost pepper. What? I don't have the video of making that, but look, I got 2 hot sauces right here. Name my sauces. Street foodies, come through. Name my sauces. And there's all different kinds of sauces you can make. You can make some probiotic one, but you're supposed to add homemade kombucha. And I don't really do kombucha. It looked like a scalp floating there in the thing, and it's called The Mother, and that's just too close to the plot of the movie Alien for me. But if you're into kombucha, do the kombucha one.